Hey everybody, Jeffrey here again with FlexArm's Ergonomic Problem Solving series this week. Just want to go over a very simple yet cost-effective solution that we had. So we had an issue, a customer had an issue where their operators were leaning in, reaching over, picking up the part, and it was a repetitive motion, kind of like we talked about in the other series. It starts to aggravate people's backs, shoulders, everything like that. So cycle time was not an issue here. So what we did was we created an end effector where this will literally bolt onto their part. They can line it up, get over top of it. They're going to put two bolts in, one here on the part. Then they'll be able to lift it up, manipulate the arm wherever they need to, place it down, undo the two bolts, and they'll be good to go. And then it's a cost-effective solution so that people stop hurting themselves in the workplace. And then it has a 360-degree rotation so they can move it wherever they need to. Next up, we're going to compare this to a very complex solution. We'll head on over. So here we're going to take a look at one of our complex grippers. So the problem that the end user had was they were lifting a 50-pound part in and out of a test station. Obviously we can't have that where they're pulling above their shoulders and hurting their back again. So what we did to do that was we created a gripper. Here, I'll lift it up, that indexes, but then also slides. Once it's indexed in the right place, it will actually hold the part together. It has two different slides that bring the grippers together. And then from there, we used our 3D printed carbon fiber reinforced fingers so that way you can lift the part up, bring it around, index it wherever you want to, place it, and then release it with the lever up here at the top. And then from there, for the safety feature, when the part's engaged, the fingers and the arm will maintain its position if there is a potential air loss. Thank you for tuning in this week. Give us a call to solve your problems. 1-800-837-2503.